So, just like you, I'm on a mission to become a millionaire with absolutely nothing in my bank account. Yep, $0. But don't worry, I've got a plan. Knowing I had $0, I needed money for obvious reasons. As crazy as it sounds, I'll get a job. I know some of you might think that's not the best move, but when you're just getting started, a traditional 9 to 5 can actually be the most sensible choice, unless, of course, you've got a rich daddy. But to be honest, I never worked a 9 to 5, not because I had daddy's money or something, but because I had another option up my sleeve: freelancing. If you've got skills like video editing or graphic design, etc., you can offer those services to creators in need. In my case, I offered video editing services to my client and got paid a nice chunk of change. I should make a separate video on how I did that, but for now, let's keep going. At the beginning, your goal should be simple. Earn enough to cover your basic needs, and use whatever time you have left to sharpen your skills and build up your knowledge base. Skills like sales, negotiation, and communication. I'll list them out on the screen so you can take a quick screenshot. The next step, selling high-ticket products. It's like affiliate marketing, but on a larger scale, more like affiliate marketing on steroids. Reach out to people like Iman Gadji, who offer high-priced products or services, and propose a partnership where you'd sell their products and earn a 10% commission, which would be around $100 to $200 per sale. If you manage to sell 5 of these products or services in a week, you could be making $2,000 to $4,000 a month. That's more than what most jobs pay, theoretically speaking. And this shouldn't be too hard, since these individuals already have established trust with their audiences. Maybe I'll dive deeper into it in a future video. Let's continue. At this point, you'll finally have enough money to quit your job. Use the time you used to spend working to build your personal brand. Start by posting videos on social media. Now you might ask, what's the point of all this social media stuff, Ziyad? The answer is simple. Making money is a lot easier when people know you and trust you. Think about it. Would you rather buy something from a random person who popped up on a YouTube ad, or from someone you've been following for a while? Obviously the second option, right? Once you have people that trust you, you can sell them just about anything. Well, by anything, I don't mean a course on how to drink water. And wait, how does this video have over 3.7 million views? Rather than this, provide your audience with courses and ebooks that has way more value than what they paid for. Let's say your product is priced at $30 and you get an average of 25,000 views on your videos. That could lead to 500 visitors on your website. And if just 2% of them convert, you could make 10 sales a day easily. That's $300 daily, which adds up to a total of $100,000 a year. I know the math went over your heads, but you heard that right. $100,000. You can scale this model to $500,000 or even $1 million in revenue, either by launching more products or increasing the value of the products you're already selling. Another big source of income could be brand deals. These come in 2 types. The first is when you dedicate a small part of your video to sponsor a product, and the second is when your whole video is based on sponsoring a product. Although you get paid more for the second option, I suggest going with the first, as it gives you more creative freedom. Going with the second option might eventually cause your audience to lose trust in you. There are even more ways to monetize your personal brand, like offering mentorship, using affiliate links, or even selling your own merchandise. On platforms like YouTube, you could also earn ad revenue for every ad that plays during your videos. So there you have it. With all these income streams combined, theoretically, anyone could become a millionaire. And though the plan seems straightforward, it's not as easy as it sounds. Along the way, you might need to tweak a thing or 2, or maybe even switch up the plan entirely. And no, it's not going to happen overnight or in a year. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. When you're aiming for something big, you've got to give it time. Maybe 3 years, 5 years, or even 10 years for some people. But if you stay committed to this path, it will happen sooner or later. That's it for this video. See you soon in the next one. Goodbye.